Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make these simple and beautiful pipe cleaner flowers. This is a fantastic craft to help you unwind and slow down after a long busy day. It is also a fun activity. You can do it with your friends and family as a bonding activity. Feel free to craft along with me and let's get started. We need yellow and green pipe cleaner, flower stem, green floral tape, scissor and wire cutter. Before we begin, let me show you how the finished flower stem looks. Each flower stem will have 5 flowers. The upper part of the stem is flexible while the lower part is sturdy, so it stands nicely in a vase. Now let's start making the flowers. Take yellow pipe cleaner and cut it in half. Repeat the process. Since we are making 5 flowers, we need 5 yellow pieces. Take one piece and let's make our first flower. First, bend the tip and wrap it around 2 times. And then make a loop like this. Now, take green tape and cover the end like this. Our first flower is ready. Repeat the steps to make 4 more flowers. If you like, you can pause the video here and make all 5 flowers before moving on. Now that our flowers are ready, let's attach them to the stem. Take a flower stem and cut it in half. Don't worry if it is not exactly half. Next, take the green pipe cleaner and attach it to the flower stem using green tape. Now let's add flowers to the stem. Take one flower and place it at the top of the stem. And secure it with the green tape. Like this. Leave a little space and add another one. Repeat the process until all 5 flowers are attached. And just like that, your flower stem is complete. You can make few more stems like this. They look so beautiful and brighten up any space. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed making these simple pipe cleaner flowers with me. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what flower you would like to see next. See you in the next video.